Think replacing your bathtub is as simple as swapping it out?
The hidden cost might surprise you.
The bathroom should be your sanctuary, but if your bathtub is stained, damaged, or outdated, it can feel more like a burden. Here at JSB, we remodel over 150 bathrooms a year, so we've seen how quickly bathtub replacement costs can spiral if you're not prepared. And here's the thing, this information will help you no matter which remodeling company you choose, not just here at JSB. Our goal is to give you the tools to budget smarter and avoid surprises. So today, I'll cover when it's time to replace your tub, what factors affect the cost, and how much you can expect to spend, and how to save money along the way. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and drop your bathtub questions in the comments. We'd love to hear them. You'll want to replace your tub if you notice certain warning signs. A leaking drain, for example, can lead to peeling paint, loose tiles, or even water damage beneath the floor. If the surface of your tub is permanently stained, chipped, or peeling from old refinishing, it's another sign that replacement may be the smarter option. Life changes like aging or mobility challenges can also mean it's time for a walk-in or more accessible tub. And sometimes it's not about what's broken, it's about upgrading your experience. A deeper soaking tub or jacuzzi can transform your bathroom into a personal spa. Once you've decided it's time, the next big question is, what's going to affect the cost? There are 4 main areas that drive the price of replacing a tub. First, the type of tub you choose. Standard alcove tubs are the most budget-friendly, while freestanding or whirlpool tubs require more plumbing and space, which drives up cost. Second are the materials. Acrylic and fiberglass are affordable and lightweight, while cast iron, stone, or copper are heavy-duty and luxurious, but a lot more expensive. Third are the labor costs. Removing the old tub, making plumbing adjustments, and disposing of debris all add up. If your floor needs reinforcing or hidden water damage is uncovered, that could increase costs further. And finally, any extra features. Things like custom tile surrounds, grab bars, or luxury add-ons such as jets or heated surfaces. These elevate the space, but they also increase the final price tag. So with all of that in mind, what should you actually expect to spend? Here's the average range for the tub itself, not including the other parts of your bathroom that often go hand in hand. A basic standard tub replacement usually runs between $700 and $1,500. A freestanding tub installation is more like $2,000 to $5,000. Luxury whirlpool or jacuzzi tubs can range anywhere from $6,000 to $10,000 or more. And fully custom or specialty tubs often start at $10,000 and go up from there. But here's the key, most homeowners don't just replace the tub. They're also updating the shower walls, the fixtures, maybe adding a glass door, or even tackling the floor and vanity at the same time. So your overall bathroom investment will almost always be higher than just the cost of the tub itself. The good news? There's smart ways to save money without cutting corners. You can manage your budget by choosing durable but affordable materials like acrylic or fiberglass or solid surface instead of luxury metals or stone. If your tub's structure is still solid, refinishing instead of replacing might be an option. Always get multiple quotes and look for transparency. Your contractor should give you a detailed breakdown of what all is included in your quoted price. Plan ahead by setting aside 10 to 15% of your budget for surprises. And if you're handy, you might even take on smaller tasks like demolition or finishing touches yourself to save on some labor. Replacing a bathtub doesn't have to be overwhelming. At JSB, we provide upfront, transparent pricing tailored to your project, so there are no hidden fees. To help you compare contractors, we've created a remodeling company comparison guide with key questions and a worksheet to track answers. And if you're ready to take the next step, schedule a consultation with our team today. We'll walk you through your options and give you a personalized estimate for your dream bath. A bathtub replacement is an investment in both comfort and home value. With the right planning, you can avoid surprises and truly enjoy your bathroom again. Smart choices today lead to a home you'll love tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and always remember to dream big and remodel smart.